How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing and testing out the Dewalt USB screwdriver set, and that's your exact model name, DWHT66719. And this one is really cool, brand new tool. Let's first see what it comes with from the packaging, what type of bits it all comes with. We'll pop it on open right here. First thing I do see is a USB cable, USB-A to USB-C. And first thing we have is the screwdriver itself right here, which is very, very nice right here. So it is accessible and used via the push. So you just push it right here. So you push this up and then you can push it over and then you can reverse it. This goes over here and you go into the other way. So pretty cool that it does that. Does have the LED lights on there, so you can see those light up, which is super unique. And then there's different adjustable speeds that you can do. So if we go down all the way to 1, you can see, and then we go all the way to, let's go 5. You can see how much faster it goes. 6 it is with the LEDs. Very, very cool. Let's see what other stuff we get included in the box right here. So we get all these bits right here included, which is nice. So we get the Phillips head, the flat head, all the different nice bits included. So you can see those if you want to. So you want to know what's included. And I think that is it besides our instruction booklet. So if you care to read the instruction booklet, which you know me, I don't care. And that's everything that we have included. So let's go ahead and grab a bit right here and we can put the bit right in. And it stays in nicely. And then if we look on the actual screwdriver itself, we can see we have lock and we have forward and reverse. So we can keep it in the lock position and then we can use it manually, or we can go into reverse or go into forward. So it's really, really easy how you just switch it and move it up. I really, really like that. It's super easy to use. For charging it via USB, you can see there's the little flap right here, which will cover your USB port, and then you can charge it right up and you are good to go. So an excellent all-around screwdriver. I'm gonna really have a lot of fun using this, and this is gonna replace my regular handheld screwdriver.